From being the cameraman?
Lights, camera. Oh, we already started.
Oh, are you hungry again? That's good, because so am I. It's time to eat something. Roll the intro, Steve, Boris.
Eat something.
Okay.
So, what we have here is a
Fine looking young gentleman.
Oh, don't mind if I
what we
do.
have here is to be a most wonderfulest mac and cheese you've ever experienced. I have water boiling, not yet boiling, it's gonna boil. We have another pot of things.
Not marijuana.
You can come here. So what we have here is butter, right? Most of you are familiar with that. It's a byproduct of cat liver. You take a little bit of a lot of it, and then you. What the fuck are you searching for? So you take butter. Can you stop? You take butter. You drop it in. You let it melt here on a low heat, which is like a 3 here. I don't know what it means.
You're like a 3.
Out of 2.
0.6.
You take where you go? You take this 18th century sex toy.
Ooh.
Wait, I thought I had it. I thought I had it.
I thought I have it. I thought I have
This
it.
is the 22nd century. We're way ahead of our days.
Okay, so basically what you do is
Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up.
shit, I forgot something. Okay.
Oh, no.
Wait, transition. You take a pot real quick because you've forgotten it. You fuck it, those are the same size. Never mind. You put it on a lot of heat. You put some milk in the pot because you're gonna need to have milk hot. Okay, this is milk. This is milk. When the butter has melted, we do as some people would call it
Locked and loaded.
locked and loaded. And I forgot something else. Where's that? Okay. Well, that is.
This is what early onset amnesia looks like, by the way, kids. Just letting you know.
Hey, chill. We got it. Where's my?
He's also schizophrenic.
So, you take garlic. You chop it up. Take off the skin. Hope that nothing's gonna burn while you're doing it. And wait.
Meta filming.
Wait, if your zoom is like
Inception.
Wait,
if
stop
that's your zoom and then
stop
this is my
comparing your
zoom.
dicks.
Inception.
You
Ooh.
smash it,
can you just multiply the
Oh.
zooms?
you smash it like
Trouble.
it's 1745.
Sir.
And then we chop it up even more. So it's nice and mushy gushy. And know that you can
Pocket ham.
pocket can. So you add that later. I never actually fucking don't know when's the best time to put it, now or later on. So what you do here is you have your butter, right? You slowly add in flour, Latvian flour. That's the only That's the only thing you can do.
Delayed bleep.
Slowly add flour. You mix it in.
Whip it up, whip it up.
Come on, come closer. This is really, really important. This is really important, okay? Yeah, a bit more flour. Mush that in. You're like, ooh, that looks nice. No, it does not. You add more flour. Ooh, now it looks more thicker. Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
As J. Cole said,
Ain't no such thing as too thick. What you want, be a toothpick?
you want a toothpick? I have toothpicks.
thick,
actually say that?
thick.
Yeah. Well, depending on how thick you want the sauce, you don't want it too thick because, you know, cheese is still gonna go in there. And you need about yay thick, yeah? About yay thick, so it looks like thick. I don't know, tell me, what does it look like?
Looks like butter with flour in it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty accurate. So, your milk is almost boiling. It's perfect. Well, that's my milk. You're gonna have your milk. So you add that milk before you do that. However, you put in that garlic. See, I never forget things. Put in that garlic. Which is gonna give you a lot of flavors and stuff.
Gives you that oomph.
Yeah. Now, when that's
red
done,
pajama.
you throw in that sweet, sweet milk.
That sweet mother's milk.
Sweet. That's
Where'd you
mother-
get that milk from?
I talked to some local women and they gave me their breast milk.
Okay.
It's getting thick, you know. A little bit thick. You try to,
Oh, that's actually very thick.
yeah.
That's what he said.
And it could be like,
I'm actually very surprised.
yeah. I mean, depends. I guess we could have added less flour. You can never have too little flour in this. To this, what we do is we hope that it's not gonna burn, and we add some cheese. We have our cheese grater. Ban pre-shredded cheese. Make America great again. Here, open this up and add some macaroni in there.
All dark, he'll throw it on the floor.
Wait, I need another helping hand.
Cameraman 2. Just over to the party. Oh!
We complete
Teamwork
each
makes
other.
the dream work.
We
Am I
complete
right?
each other.
Should I just pour this one in?
Oh, no, here. But not all of it. Like a little bit of it.
That's actually pretty silly of me to want to put it in there.
Yeah, like that.
So close to a catastrophic rookie mistake.
Yeah. So,
Oh Lord.
here we have a little bit of cheese.
Hey Jester, why you so cheesy today?
At this point, you realize you should have added less flour than you initially did.
I'm honestly slightly surprised.
Rewind to 3 minutes ago. You could never have too much flour with this.
I said the exact opposite. You can never have too little flour in this.
I'm actually very surprised about how thick that thing is.
That's what she said.
He's referring to the shaft of the penis.
So this is your cheese sauce. This probably needs a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, but to know that, you take your wonderful Mr. Spoon.
Mr. Spoon.
Since you don't want to, burn your mouth, you give this to one of the boys.
Camera number 2 says he wants
No!
No, I think
Hide your kids! Hide your wife!
the spoon's out there.
You take it by yourself. That's pretty good already. But you add a little bit more salt.
The fact we didn't want to try it speaks volumes about his food.
The fact that what?
Nothing.
You're a nothing.
Quiet bird.
A little bit of pepper. A little bit of a realization that this butter is melting for all eternity.
Strong butt angle incoming.
Throughout these videos, you're not going to find a single reason why I got fired. That's the sauce part done. Now all we need to wait is until the pasta gets al dente. What does al dente mean? It means that it's like soft on the outside, but a little bit hard in the middle.
she said.
Now we actually make them taste this because this is fucking good. What? What? Blow on it? Are you fucking kidding? Are you both pussies? This is fucking good.
Try it yourself. Why do you feed it to
I'm
us?
making good food here.
Then try it yourself. Falls over.
Really good.
Really good.
Notice the tears in his eyes as he said that.
Close up.
Because there's tears of joy.
Look how red the eye became.
Hey, that's because I smoke with one nostril.
What does that
Actually,
mean?
no, fucking taste this shit.
Okay.
Taste this shit. And you film his face.
I'll only do it if you do the train.
I'm
If
filming the face.
you
Go,
have to do the
go.
train. You have to do the train.
Choo choo.
It's fucking good.
Very good.
No, tell me, honestly, tell me that's not fucking good.
No, it's. That's not fucking good.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole. They're doing that. Okay. Choo choo. Film his face. Film his face. Choo choo. Are you fucking kidding me? This
No, honestly, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent.
is decent. This is the fucking best thing you're gonna.
No, it's pretty
taste
good. It's
all
pretty
day.
good. It's pretty good.
You're just an asshole.
Narrator, it was not decent.
How am I gonna reach 100 million subscribers on Twitch if this is what
By,
you
by
guys
tomorrow.
do? By
By
tomorrow.
playing a lot of kitten videos.
We're gonna be right back when the macaroni are done.
Cue the commercial.
This is the commercial.
Damn it.
You strain the macaroni e le pasta, and you whip them around a little bit, and then what you do?
This is prime Infowars content.
Prime what?
Infowars content.
Why is it Infowars?
Dude, you're missing out. And you add this.
Wait, what's
sauce.
Infowars?
Someone clearly hasn't spent enough time on alt-right web forums.
So a little disclaimer on this dish right here. The idea of this dish is that you don't spend almost any money at all. The only money that you spend is on cheese and maybe on butter. Butter is pretty expensive, right? And other than that, like the pasta was like 33 cents. Don't spend more on pasta. You don't need that fancy smashy full grain pasta shit because it's not as tasty as plain
What about them?
carbs.
What about the nice looking pants you got there? Are those required to make such good food?
No, best way to make food is without pants.
But Jester, what about your collection of Gucci flip-flops?
Hey, that's from the donation money.
Ah, okay.
That's where, you know.
Wait, didn't you say that the money goes to marginalized
yeah.
communities?
Are you fucking kidding me? This is Gucci flip flops.
What about the charity marathon?
I mean, that is the charity. Like,
Are you gonna run the marathon in the flip flops?
what? I'm not gonna run, man. I'm sitting in my chair. People are getting scammed by donating to charity, and I get Gucci flip flops. That's the marathon.
This is all hidden camera stuff. He doesn't know we're filming.
You're filming. And this is it. And this is look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.
Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Look, just look. This is wonderful. If you
doesn't
put
do
if you put ketchup on this, I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna shove this up your nostrils, both of them at the same time.
Same time.
Yes. And this is,
It's a pretty wild offer. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby.
Talk about thick.
that's mac and cheese. But you're gonna fucking try this and you're gonna love it. Wait, let me give you.
That's what he said last time.
That's
Tell
right.
me if you don't like this.
That's what he said
We
before I got
cannot be
Mama,
friends.
not again. Mama.
Try this. Who's gonna be first?
Him.
It's blow on it. It's hot. And be honest. Don't make any stupid jokes. Be honest.
Better than sex.
See?
That's just what I wanted to say. It's a weird thing for a virgin to say.
It's a little bit of a fallacy, but you know.
Yeah, premise impossible, right? All right. Chuku, chuku, chuku.
It's really fucking hot. Be honest. In the camera right now. In the camera, your thoughts. Just say it.
No, it's actually pretty good, and I would be saying that even if he wasn't pointing his gun at me.
Right gun. See, boom. Cut it.